Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this new Moto G35 5G smartphone. So let's unbox this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. Friends, you can see that at the top here it is written Moto G35 5G Motorola smartphone. Here it is written Hello Moto. At the back you will see 50 megapixel quad camera and plus ultra wide, full HD plus display and stereo speaker. And you can see the colors of it. Here it is black, green and red. And this you will see it is a 4 GB 128 GB smartphone. So let's unbox this. And here you can see a headset. Let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. And here it is the tray and one protective case. It is a rubber material and its quality is very good, you will see. Let's keep it aside. And here it is the adapter. It is a 20 volt adapter given by Motorola. And here it is the type C USB to type C charging cable. It is in black color. And you will see here it is the tray, and in this you will see a SIM tool tray and some specification and guides are there. Let's keep it inside and check what is uh, let's open this phone. So friends, let's just remove this. And as you can see it is in black color, and it has three colors. And you can see the cameras. One camera, back camera is 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and at the front camera is 16 megapixel camera. Let's open it. And you can see it sports. It is a volume rocker button up and down, one power on off button, and at the bottom you will see one speaker, type C charging port, mic, 3.5 mm of audio jack. Here it is SIM card tray, and at the top you will see microphone. And the display is 6.72 inches full HD plus LTPS LCD. And let's open it. Friends, you can see the smoothness of this smartphone in this price range. Let's open the camera, and you can see open settings. Here it is. You can record 4K videos, produce file with 4K. It has an option. And I have taken some pictures. I will show you. Here it is. You can see when it will zoom in the full screen, and the clarity is very good. It is a 50 megapixel camera photo, and it is a selfie camera photo. You can see the color contrast and the brightness is very good. And let's check is another features. You will get slow motion, portrait, QR code, pro mode, and here it is panorama mode, time lapse and night vision also. So let's open the YouTube and check the video quality. Let's open the video 4K, and you can see this. Let's increase the brightness of it, and you can see the clarity is very good, and you can zoom at 8x zoom, you can see. And here it is the settings quality, and you can see video in 2160 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR. That is the good part of this smartphone. So let's check its speaker quality also. Let's open any song. till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Friends, you can see the speaker quality. Speaker quality is also very awesome. You can see in this price budget, you will see this is very good. And let's check other settings in this smartphone. So open the settings, click on about phone, and you will see here it is the storage 128 GB, 4 GB RAM and 4 GB extendable. It means it has 8 GB. And you can see device detail. Android version is 14 and processor is T760 octa-core 2.2 GHz, and of course it is a 5G smartphone, and it has 1 year of warranty for headset and 6 months on accessories, and it has a 120 Hz of screen, FHD plus display, and Gorilla Glass is 3 for extra protection. And in this price budget there is no another smartphone beat for 4K video recording, but this smartphone has. That is good. I have if you want to buy the smartphone, I have given the link in the description. You can check it out there. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. And you can see it has a security options also. So let's see also. Here it is security and privacy. Click on device unlock, and it has screen lock, fingerprint and face lock also. You can see. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.